Hello, I'm here to do a little demonstration of a hand drill out in the Wisconsin wilderness. So I have my little TP style fire here, mullein, white pine board, something to catch my dust here, some bark, my tinder pile, just accumulation of leaves, and let's hope I get it right. The most important part of this, at least for me, is going to be to remain relaxed. Spit on your hands, gives you a little grip down the spindle. But I've got a notch cut, I've got my spindle, I have my good kit here. So as long as I remain relaxed, I've been practicing, been hardening my hands, I should be able to get an ember here, transfer it into my tinder bundle, and get a little fire going. Already I got a little smoke, but for me, it's easier to not look at that smoke and not get too attached to it. And just work on accumulating the dust, remaining relaxed, breathing. Big thing is to breathe here. Trying to use my full hands versus just my palms, although I am commonly just using my palms here. A big thing for me is to remember to just cut that notch, not too big, but not too small. If I cut it too big, I've had the issue with the dust taking too long to accumulate and my arms wearing out before I can get an ember. Looks like I've got an ember here, so I want to make sure I pick this up carefully, not to allow this bark to just kick out my ember. Flames. I'm going to transfer the flame into my fire. Make sure it's got some breathing room. tiny sticks on top of this. So the biggest thing I can tell you guys is to remain patient with your fire drill or hand drill practice, because I've been working on this for weeks and weeks, and I'm just now becoming to the point where I can get it done in a few minutes. Before, I could sit here and work that spindle for 30 minutes until my hands were so sore that I could not, my arms so sore that I couldn't even do it any longer. But after weeks and weeks of being, just continuously having that determination to get this done, I got it done. So maybe you can't practice as much as I have, so give yourself a few months. Allow yourself a few months of time to really get proficient at the skill. If you're working 40 hours a week, have kids, family, other responsibilities, you can't be expected to make time for this every day. You got other things that you want to invest your energies into. Super pumped to share this. This is actually my first solo fire that I've got with a hand drill out here. It's a beautiful day. Been on a nice hike with Kenton. It's a perfect way to start our trek back to the house. Thanks for tuning in. In the comments, tell me of maybe some troubles or that you're having with the practice, so I can share my many weeks of struggles with you. We can talk it out. We can figure out maybe how we can each grow, how maybe I can become even more proficient with it, or maybe I can give you a little tip that I'm just not picking up right here on the spot. Let's talk.